In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create group chats for SMS in GoHighLevel. By the end, you'll know exactly where to start a new group conversation, how to add teammates to it, and how to attach an image so your thread has the context it needs. First, open GoHighLevel and head straight to the Conversations area. This is your central inbox for messages and internal threads. From here, look for the option to start a new message. Clicking that opens a composer so you can decide who the conversation is with and what channel you want to use. Next, choose Message Teammates. This ensures you're creating an internal group chat designed for quick coordination, without mixing it up with contact-facing messages. It's perfect for updates, triaging, and keeping your team aligned around a specific topic or client. Now add the contacts you want in this group. You might see just one available right now. That's fine. You can include as many teammates as your permissions allow, and you can always add more later if your workflow expands. Once you've selected the people who should be in the conversation, click Create Internal Chat. Your thread will open immediately, ready for your first message. A quick tip: start with a short summary in your first post, like a goal or the task at hand, so teammates joining later can get up to speed fast. Also, make sure notifications are enabled in your user settings so you don't miss replies. If you want to include a visual, head to your workspace's media area. Choose Image to work with a picture asset. When the image picker opens, select the highlighted area or tile to proceed. Use Upload to add a new file from your computer if it isn't already in your library. Once it finishes, click the highlighted thumbnail to select it. Then choose Insert Media. Your image is now ready to reference in your internal discussion. Keep file names clear and use commonly supported formats like PNG or JPG for the smoothest experience. That's it. You've created a group chat in Conversations, added your teammates, and attached an image for clarity. Keep your messages concise, tag teammates when you need input, and pin important notes so critical details stay visible. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section as you set up your next group chat in GoHighLevel.